Welcome, dear friends, to this journey down the fascinating River Thames, a river rich in history and teeming with life. Nestled in the heart of the United Kingdom, the River Thames is the longest river entirely within England, stretching over 200 miles. This majestic body of water serves as a lifeline to several cities, including Oxford, Reading, Windsor, and the world-renowned City of London. From its humble beginnings in a small Gloucestershire field, the Thames snakes its way through verdant landscapes and bustling urban centres, carrying with it tales of kings and queens, wars and peace, growth and decay. It has been a silent observer of the tapestry of the nation's history and a vibrant ecosystem supporting an abundance of wildlife. So are you ready to take a journey through time and unravel the secrets of this magnificent river? Our journey begins at the very source of the River Thames, a humble beginning for such a mighty river. This source, known as Thames Head, is situated in a serene meadow in the Cotswolds, a region in south-central England revered for its undulating hills and quaint, charming villages. The River Thames, as we know it, starts as a mere trickle, seeping from the ground, a subtle whisper of the roaring force it soon becomes. Its waters, nourished by the English rain and underground springs, begin their 215-mile journey towards the North Sea. In the earliest chapters of human history, the Thames was already playing a pivotal role. The river provided a lifeline for early settlers, who were attracted to its fertile banks, a perfect place for agriculture. These early settlements, dating back to the Neolithic period, were the precursors to the grand cities that would later emerge along the Thames. The river wasn't just a provider, it was a connector. It offered a natural route for transport and trade, fostering connections between different tribes and cultures. The river was a highway, a marketplace, and a source of sustenance all in one. Fast forward to the Roman era, and we find Londinium, modern-day London, springing up on the banks of the Thames. The Romans, with their advanced engineering, recognized the strategic advantage of the river and built the first bridge across it. This bridge transformed Londinium into a bustling trade hub, setting the stage for the city to become one of the world's leading metropolises. As the settlements grew, so did their dependency on the river. The Thames provided food, transportation, and even defense against potential invaders. It was an integral part of day-to-day life, shaping the societies that lived along its banks. As we move downstream, we'll see how the river has shaped and influenced the growth of civilization around it. The Thames story is indeed a tale of survival and adaptation, of societies flourishing on its banks, of a river that has been both a life-giver and a pathfinder. From its humble beginnings in a quiet meadow, the Thames has truly become a river of life. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, the River Thames has now become a bustling hub of activity. During this epoch, the Thames was more than just a river. It was the lifeblood of England. It had become the main artery of commerce and transportation, shaping the fate of the nation. The river's strategic location made it an ideal spot for a settlement, and thus, the City of London was born on its banks. The Thames was the backbone of London, providing the city with a steady flow of goods and people. Traders from all over the country would journey down the river, their boats laden with wool, grain, and other commodities. They would dock at the bustling ports of London, where their wares would be bought, sold, and exchanged, contributing to the city's growing wealth and reputation. The river wasn't just a conduit for commerce, it was also an essential part of the city's infrastructure. It provided a means of transport that was quicker and safer than any land route. It was the highway of its time, with boats and barges ferrying people and goods from one part of the city to another. The River Thames also played a crucial role in defense. London Bridge, the first bridge to span the river, was a formidable fortification. Its stone towers and drawbridge served as a barrier to any would-be invaders, helping to secure the city's safety. But life on the Thames wasn't all business and warfare. It was also a place of leisure and entertainment. The riverbanks were lined with taverns and inns where people would gather to eat, drink, and make merry. The river was also the venue for many a boat race and water pageant, adding color and excitement to the city's daily life. As the Middle Ages progressed, the River Thames continued to shape the destiny of London, and by extension, the whole of England. It became more than just a waterway. It was the city's main street, its marketplace, and its playground. The River Thames, once a lifeline for survival, has now become the heart of a thriving empire. As we sail into modern times, the River Thames continues to be a symbol of England's rich heritage. This majestic waterway, threading its way through the heart of London, is more than just a geographical feature. It's a living, breathing entity that has evolved and adapted alongside the city it nourishes. In the present day, the River Thames is a bustling hub of activity. It serves as a major artery for trade and transportation, with vessels of all shapes and sizes navigating its waters daily. From the quaint riverboats ferrying tourists to the larger cargo ships, the Thames is a lifeline for London's economy. Tourism is a significant aspect of the river's modern life. Iconic landmarks such as the London Eye, the Tower Bridge, and the Houses of Parliament line its banks, creating a picturesque cityscape that attracts millions of visitors each year. The river itself is a sightseer's delight, with scenic cruises offering panoramic views of London's most famous sights. Beyond its economic and touristic value, the Thames also plays a pivotal role in the city's ecology. The river's clean waters are home to a diverse range of aquatic life, including several species of fish, birds, and even seals. Efforts to maintain the river's health are a testament to London's commitment to environmental sustainability. The Thames has also become a hub for cultural events. The annual boat race between Oxford and Cambridge universities, the New Year's Eve fireworks, the Thames Festival, all these events add a vibrant splash of color to the river's persona, making it an integral part of London's cultural fabric. Modern times have brought changes to the River Thames, but its essence remains the same. It's a river that tells a story of resilience, adaptability, and constant evolution. Its waters have flowed for thousands of years, bearing witness to the rise and fall of civilizations, the march of progress, and the relentless pace of change. Today, the River Thames stands as a testament to the enduring strength and resilience of nature amidst the hustle and bustle of modern life. But the River Thames is not just about history and landmarks, it's a thriving ecosystem teeming with life. The River Thames is home to an astonishing variety of wildlife, a testament to nature's resilience and adaptability. Beneath the surface of the water, a vibrant community of fish thrives. More than 120 species dart and weave through the currents, from the common roach and perch to the majestic salmon making their way upstream to spawn. The river's health can be seen in the return of the European eel, once endangered, but now once again a common sight. But it's not just about what's in the water. The banks of the Thames are a haven for birds, with more than 170 species recorded. From the iconic kingfisher, flashing brilliant blue and orange as it dives for fish, to the grey heron standing sentinel at the water's edge, each species adds a unique note to the river's symphony of life. And let's not forget the mammals that call the Thames home. Otters, once nearly extinct in England, have made a remarkable comeback, and are now a regular sight along the waterways. Their presence is a testament to the ongoing efforts to clean and preserve the river, ensuring it remains a lifeline for wildlife. The interplay of life within the Thames ecosystem is a dance of delicate balance. Plants, insects, birds, fish, and mammals all play their part in this intricate web of existence. Each species, no matter how small, has a role to play, contributing to the overall health and vitality of the river. This richness of life is not a happy accident. It's the result of years of conservation efforts, of cleaning the water, of protecting habitats, and of educating the public about the importance of our natural heritage. The River Thames, a river that has nurtured civilizations, now nurtures a rich and diverse array of life. The river's story is a testament to the power of nature, the resilience of life, and the importance of conservation. It's a story that continues to unfold with every ripple and current, every bird's song, and every splash of a fish. And so, we come to the end of our journey down the River Thames, a journey through time, history, and the vibrant pulse of life. We've witnessed the birth of this majestic river, traced its course through the Middle Ages and into the modern times. We've marveled at its rich and diverse ecosystem, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of Mother Nature. The River Thames, like many natural wonders across our globe, is a living, breathing entity. It's a testament to our past, a mirror to our present, and a beacon guiding us into the future. Preserving these natural wonders is not just a responsibility, but a necessity, for they are the lifeblood of our planet, the soul of our collective histories. If you enjoyed this journey and would like to embark on more such adventures, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.